Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Yoosee camera not connecting to Wi-Fi, setup, signal, and app troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Make sure you are using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Open your router settings or app and check if your Wi-Fi is set to 2.4 GHz. If you are connecting to a 5 GHz network, switch to the 2.4 GHz network. Then try connecting the camera again. Fix 2. Move the camera closer to the router. First, place the camera within a few feet of your router and remove any obstacles like thick walls or metal objects. Now complete the setup again. Fix 3. Restart the camera and router. Unplug the camera for about 30 seconds and restart your Wi-Fi router. Now wait until the router is fully online and plug the camera back in and reconnect. Fix 4. Reset the UC camera. Locate the reset button on the camera and press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see the indicator light change. Now wait for the camera to restart and add the camera again in the UC app. Fix 5. Re-add the camera in the UC app. Open the UC app and remove the offline camera if it appears. Then tap on Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the camera. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.